This 5-minute solution will show you how to recover TikTok account username and password. If you lost your TikTok account login credential, don't worry. You can follow these quick steps to recover your TikTok account username and password. First of all, open a browser and type google.com. Make sure to log into your Google account. Then tap on your profile photo at the top right. Tap on manage your Google account. Select security at the top. Scroll down and tap on password manager. Tap on this search box and type TikTok, and here you will get your TikTok. Tap on it. Verify your Google account. And now from here you can easily copy your TikTok account username and password. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.